What's going on, you guys? G-Man 106 here. I'm gonna show you guys how to baby-proof your. I'm gonna show you guys how to keep your door locked, so your child or baby cannot get into any room where they should not be. So first up, I'm gonna show you guys how to baby-proof your door with a click belt. I got this belt at Kmart. I'm gonna show you guys how to lock your door. So first, I think y'all maybe turn off the light so the bulb doesn't go out. Turn off the light. Close the door. You can maybe lock it with a penny. What's like penny? Put it back onto the door frame. So first you'll get your clicky belt, so you can, prevent your child. I'll put a short clip on. Like express what's going on, you guys. G-Man 106 here. I just put the belt onto the door. So when the child attempts to open the door, they'll spin when the child comes to the door, they'll just spin the belt around and they cannot open it. But when the adult comes, they'll put their fingers into inside the clicky belt. I think fill the knob and turn it. That's how you childproof your door with a clicky belt. And when when the adult wants to take it off, y'all see, here's the remove part. Alright. So you want to slightly remove this piece right here. So now out of place. Now y'all keep pulling. Alright, so I just took the belt off the door. And the child can actually pull the belt off. Alright, so here's another way to childproof your door. See, y'all turn off the light again, just like with the clicky belt, y'all. Close your door. There's a little penny up there and a dime up on the door. So first, you'll take your penny and lock the door. Or no, you can lock the door from, use coin. All you have to do, it's annoying, is use this little dial on the door handle, lock the lock. You'll turn it, and then I'll turn off the light before I lock the door. So you'll lock the door on. Let me turn on the light and set the camera down into the bathroom and lock the camera here. So you'll want to close the door and get that penny. And now we can show it on camera. We can show it onto the camera. See that little lock. And your child cannot unlock the door to get into the toilet or cabinets. First, you get the penny, or you can use a penny or a dime too. I'm gonna put the dime back onto my door frame because, Alright, so you take the penny, put in there, fill the key, turn it to the left, and maybe put the penny back on the door. And your door is vacant, opened. Now all I have to do, Like all I do, we'll get something for young adults. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna get a stick. A one stick. You know why? I'm gonna show you. It's one stick. Because young adults will lock the door again. Alright, so y'all. Alright. So if young adults want to lock the door to keep their child out, and they'll close it. When young adults will lock their door, they'll take the stick. I'm gonna show you. They'll take the stick, reach onto the hinge, and drop it. They want to drop it, maybe drop the penny onto the floor. Then they'll unlock the door with the coin. There you have it. But so young adults can actually open the door. Yeah. And I'll put the penny. They'll put the penny back onto the frame. But so they can use a stick to reach the penny. Well, young adults can use just penny, or not the penny, this wooden stick, to get the penny if their arms are too short and they won't reach the coin. And so this lock can be engaged from the inside. This door can be unlocked from the inside without having to lock it. Alright, you'll lock it, but you want to be on the inside this time. So I'll unlock it from, there you go.